WOLFBOX sent me the G900 Tripro for my review, and this thing is completely a new genre of product. We are used to installing, dash cams, the back cams, and all that stuff. Check this out. This is the actual, and I'm going to take this off just so you can actually see. This is so nice. This here is a screen. It will actually attach onto my rear view mirror right here, and it has a dash cam right in front of it. Look at that. Dash cam in front. It will basically not even look like you have a camera. Like, it's nothing suction cup attached to your dash or attached to your windshield. It is super nice. It actually is already a mirror if you look at it this way. So I can actually install it. But right now I want to show you what actually it comes with it. Oh, let's see. Because it's not only a dash cam for the front, but it also has a back camera, so a rear camera. The rear camera is 2.5K. The front camera is a 4K camera, which is crazy. So look at this. This is that little camera that's going to be attached. This is a really intricate system. I think it looks incredibly well done. Metal casing, which is surprising. It does have my favorite nudge tool, which is basically the tool where you're going to go and nudge in between those seams of your car to run the cable, because you have long enough cable to not only run the actual camera or the actual, I guess, rear view mirror, smart rear view mirror back into power into your 12 volt adapter, but also that long cable will go all the way back to that rear camera that we saw. So of course we've got that, wow, look, oh, you also have a cabin camera. So I actually also have an extra camera. This is so much fun. Look at this. Extra camera, so if I want a cabin camera on top of that, so I could see, the kids in the back if I wanted to, I can see the car behind me if I want to, if I need to, and I can see everything in front of me and record everything at the same time. This thing is fantastic. Of course, you got the power supply, rubber straps. The power supply, let's look at it right now, because they always do this. Yep. So you got that power supply, and I've got an extra USB-A right here. And look at that, like I was saying, that long cable, and this will connect right onto the actual inputs of this screen right here. You've got a TF card slot, you've got USB-C, you've got a GPS adapter if you want one, audio video cable, of course, and the power cable. This thing is beautiful. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna see what it looks like when it's all working. Okay, this is installed, very rudimentary install, because I still have the cables, but of course those cables would actually fit right here and get nudged up and literally be hidden from view. All you would see is these two cables coming down. The screen quality, as soon as I turn it on, I mean, you could see. I'm gonna show you the other one here. Look at this. This quality is mind-boggling. 4K on the left, 2.5K right here. On the right, this is the backup camera. I wanted to leave it here so we could actually see how it actually works. This has that little metal bracket onto that little casing here, and it is extremely high quality and super easy to install. Again, everything is already pre-wired. You've got already the wires if you want to have what they call the parking mode, which basically means that you can wire this whole system without powering it from the 12-volt battery right here inside your car. You could wire the whole system right onto your box by your battery, which would make it virtually, unstoppable, because it would always record even if you're not running the car, if it's parked, which is the whole idea. I'm blown away with the quality, blown away with how big that screen is. So easy to actually control. Love that the time is here. You've got Tuesday, it's 3:34 p.m. You've got the date. It is voice activated. So if I turn on that voice activation, I can actually tell it when I want to record. So let's say you're not recording at all times. You could actually say, hey, start recording, and it would start. Look at this. This whole screen is also touch screen. So I can literally start recording here if I wanted to. And yes, there's an internal memory. So right now, I know it's recording. It's letting me know just at the top left here, little red button flashing. Really hard to see on camera, obviously, but that's what it's doing, because it does have internal memory. Obviously, for a longer period of time, you could put a 64 gigabyte card if you wanted to into the TF slot, and you'd be good to go. But you've got, if I want to take a quick picture, I can do that. It's so simple. I can do all the playback right here. I could do obviously audio, and then all of the settings if I want to do loop recording. G-sensor, for example, so easy. What G-sensor means is basically you could say anytime there's any type of G-shock sensing, meaning maybe collision or something, let me know, and kind of like timestamp this while it's recording so you can go back to that exact moment. I think that's great. You've got all the really easy to understand, settings. I can expose, I can do whatever I want. So of course, you could have it in different settings for nighttime driving, obviously, and daytime driving. I still go back to how blown away I am from with this. I mean, it elevates the whole idea of having a rear view mirror. I would be looking at this all the time to make sure that, of course, we're looking at, look at that, the back seat. It is perfect quality, crisp, perfect colors. I'm so happy with this. And of course, as soon as you clean this up, it'll take maybe 20 minutes to clean it all up and make sure that all the wires are gone, and then you are good to go. Wow. WOLFBOX, well done.